Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Unilag Mathematics Post UTME Screening Past Question. Question 5. A car travels at 120 km per hour. How long will it take it to get to Jeba, which is 2,400 km away? A car travels at 120 km per hour. How long will it take it? Now, the velocity of the car is what? 120 km per hour. Now velocity is equals to what? Distance divided by time. Now it's asking us how long it will take the man to get to Jeba, which is 2,500. Now the distance now is what? 2,400 kilometer. Now how long has to deal with time. Now they are asking us for the time, and I told you that velocity v equals to what? Distance all over time. So our time, if you cross multiply, you get that your time multiplied by velocity gives you distance, and your time becomes what? Your time becomes distance divided by velocity. So now our time will be equal to what? Our distance, I said it was 2,400 kilometer, divided by our velocity is 120 kilometer per hour. So our time becomes what? Our time becomes 2,400 divided by 120, and that's 20 hours. 20 hours. Now this is what? 2,400 kilometer, and this is kilometer per hour. Kilometer will cancel kilometers. Now this is 1 over hour. 1 divided by 1 over hour gives you hour. That's why we got 20 hours. So the answer for this question is 20 hours A. So it will take the man 20 hours to travel to Jeba, which is 2,400 kilometer away.